Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. These are some symmetry elements and symmetry operation. Proper axis of symmetry, its symbol is Cn. This is the symmetry operation is rotation about at any angle theta to get the equivalent configuration. We rotate the molecule at any angle so that molecule remain indistinguishable and equivalent configuration is obtained. Let theta is calculated as 2 pi over n or 360 over n. Let we rotate the molecule at 180 and we get the equivalent configuration. Then value of n will be equal to 360 over 2 pi over 2, 360 over 2. This will become 180. Theta is 180 and value of n is 2. Therefore, proper axis of symmetry will become equal to C2. When we rotate the molecule at 120 and we get the equivalent configuration, or molecule remain indistinguishable from the first one, then n is calculated as 360 over 3. This is equal to 120. Here value of n is equal to 3. Therefore, proper axis of symmetry will become equal to C2. Value of n will be equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Plane of symmetry is second symmetry element. Its symbol is sigma. This is the reflection of a molecule in the same plane so that we get the equivalent configuration. This is the symmetry operation. Improper rotation, its symbol is Sn. This is the rotation about any axis and then it is followed by the reflection. After rotation we get the reflection at 90 angle at perpendicular to the rotation axis and we get the equivalent configuration. When we rotate a molecule at any axis and then after we perform its reflection at 90 degree to the rotation axis and we get the equivalent configuration, then this molecule has the improper rotation. Its symbol is Sn. Next, center of symmetry. It is also called inversion center. This is inversion when we invert all the atoms of a molecule through the center of symmetry and molecule remain indistinguishable, or we get the equivalent configuration, then this molecule has center of symmetry. Identity. Any operation which is performed on the molecule and molecule remain unchanged, we get the equivalent configuration. We get molecule become indistinguishable from the first one. This operation is about the identity, or this symmetry element will call identity. Thank you.